Hello everyone, it's me, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. So today we're going to take a look at our h220, this machine. This machine is very popular, mainly because of the weight. It's 2.6 ton. When it's 2.6 ton, you can take it on a trailer easily. It can handle 1200 kilo, so it fits a lot of people and it's very popular. So we can take a look. So the h220 comes with a hydraulic quick hitch. You have many different that you can choose from. On this one we have the Trima. This is popular in Sweden. You can get it with a Euro quick hitch, Giant quick hitch, Weidemann, even Avant is possible. And it comes with a hydraulic function here. So you can use attachments like a pitchfork, bale grabber, and it comes with a free return line as well. That is good to have if you're gonna use a lawn mower or a snowblower. When you have a hydraulic quick hitch, that makes it very easy. You can change all the attachments from inside the cabin. You just push the button on the joystick and you open the quick hitch, and then you can have your forks, lawnmower, pitchfork, all kinds of attachments. You can easily change them. So it comes with a heater package. You can adjust the fan speed, and you also have this function. This is an inching function. The inching function is for adjusting the speed of the machine. If you have full throttle, then you can choose to drive slowly, but with high flow from the hydraulic pump. For example, if you use a sweeper, then you can put down the speed here and still get the 40 liter per minute out from the pump. That's a really good feature on this machine. So I took out the display here just to show you guys, so you can see the function on it. So our display has, you can see all the information that you need from the machine. You have the voltage on the battery, RPM. You can also see the gears, forward, backward, neutral, high and low. And you have the temperature of oil and water, and there is some warnings as well. If you have a problem with something, it will come a warning here too. And you have an hour meter, of course, and a fuel meter. So we also have the Android system here. This screen here, it has some functions, so you can connect with Bluetooth, you can have music. And we have the rear view camera, very good. So this machine has hydraulic brakes. It's a good brake system. And you have electric handbrake. So the 220, the cabin height is 2.4 meter. And you have the loading capacity is 1200 kilo. You can handle 1200. And lifting height is around 3 meter. It depends on what attachment you have, but I can show you. The machine comes as standard with the road lights, and you have also the LED lights, the working lights. So the 220 comes with a Janmar engine. It's a Japanese engine with good quality. It has 5 years warranty, 37 horsepower, and we have the pump, hydrostatic pump, and the hydrostatic motor from Interpump. That's an Italian brand with a good quality. We have several different tire options on these machines. On this machine we have the grass pattern. It's like a universal grass pattern. You have also a possibility to get it with an agricultural tire, and there's also a narrow tire if you need that. So the 220 also have the tilting cabin, so you can tilt the cabin and easily do service. So the 220 has the articulated joint in the middle, so it pivots in the middle, and that makes low ground pressure. Come, no problem. No problem. Come. Come. This is Mr. Shao. This is Mr. So I would like to show you the steering angle. The steering angle on this machine is 45 degrees. And I will show you now. So that was our H220. If you have any questions, just contact us, and yeah, have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.